Up for sale today we have a beautiful 2005 Ford Territory all-wheel drive gear. In the front we have got brand new brake calipers, brand new brake pads, 4 new slotted rotors all the way around. We've got brand new ball joints, we've got brand new tyre rods, we've got brand new diff bushes up the front, Nolathane, brand new lower control arms. In the rear we've got brand new shocks. The engine's been recently serviced. The car has August 2025 rego, so long rego. Did I say the engine was serviced? I think I said the engine was serviced. On the interior, the seats are in pretty damn good condition. It's pretty clean in here. K's are around about 250-ish thousand K's, which doesn't really mean much for these things. The rear seat, pretty clean in here. Roof lining, still on the roof, no problems there. I'm asking 6,500 with 2025 rego, August 2025 rego. I can negotiate, but you're not getting it for 2k, okay? If the ad's up, it's available. Hit me up.